I've been playing handball for 45 years. Once you get hooked on it, you really get hooked really good. And you know, you want to better yourself, so you keep playing. Also, the biggest thing in handball is the group of people we play with. That's more like family. When I picked up the game, the older guys were in the league, so I asked to join the league. At that time when I was playing, probably 5 years, and then I noticed some issues with my shoulder. So after the years finished, I went to see a doctor, and they told me I had a bone spur. And that was really the cause of my pain. They had surgery on my shoulder for the bone spurs twice to remove them. But bone spurs grow back, and then it tears the shoulder up even more. So eventually I had to have shoulder replacement. I met Dr. Levin through other players, and I've heard that he was a good handball player himself. Once I got to play with him, I had told him about my situation, and he assured me that he can put me back on the court and play with no problem. It was important to me, too, that Dr. Levin was a handball player himself, so he understood the passion I had, and he understood it quite a bit, so that was important to me. Surgery went excellent, and probably within 3 to 6 months I could start swinging and hitting, but it took about a year before I really felt comfortable. And that's any surgery, whether it's knee, shoulder, that you feel that you don't think about it. But he gave me a second life at playing handball. I've won a couple championships, I've won a couple tournaments, so it's been fun. Sometimes I have to play young kids, and sometimes I can beat them, and that makes me feel good. And sometimes they question me, how old are you again? And most of the time what makes it good is they don't realize I had shoulder surgery. They're actually shocked. So I don't tell them till after to make them feel bad.